glad you dropped by. This is Financially Basic, and basically, it's about going back to basics. We some of us have been hit with a lot of difficult situations: death in the family, illness, unemployment, fair loss, layoffs, you name it. It's been happening, and there's a lot of us that are right now going through a lot of difficult situations, and we don't have the tools to get out of it and to get financially stable, at least, if not financially free. So we want to get back to basics. We want to make sure that we get the tools, we get the steps that we need to go back to where we're supposed to be. So welcome to the channel. We're going to explore a lot of the basic steps that we need to have that we should know, but sometimes we don't. So please click subscribe and make sure that you can contribute. Let's go into this together. Let's get started. Financially Basic.